In this question, we want to find the slope of the line containing the pair of points 5, -5, and 10, 1. The formula for calculating slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the change in y. That symbol that I wrote there, it looks like a little triangle. It's a Greek letter delta for change over the change in x. I'm going to label one of these points as x1, y1, and the other point as x2, y2. And we'll calculate the slope using the formula. y2 is 1 minus y1 is -5 over x2, which is 10, minus x1, which is 5. This is 1 plus 5, minus a negative is plus. 10 minus 5 is 5. So we have 6/5 as the slope of the line, containing the points 5, -5, and 10, 1. This question says to graph the line that contains the point -3, 3 and has a slope of 2, 3. So to graph the line, I'm going to plot that point -3, 3 right here. And then I need to find a second point on the line using that slope. So we have to remember what slope stands for. Slope is rise over run, or the change in y over the change in x. So I can start from that point that I plotted, -3, 3, and rise to, so I'll go up 2, I'll change y by 2, and then I'll change x by 3, so I'm going to run 3. And that's going to lead me to a second point on that line. And with that second point, you only need 2 points to graph a line. I'll be able to draw that line that connects those 2 points. So there we've drawn the line that contains the point -3, 3 and has a slope of 2/3. In this question, I want to find the point-slope form of the line with the given slope which passes through the indicated point. A point-slope form of a line is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. M is the slope of 2/3, and x1, y1 is a point on the line. So I'll substitute those values in. Y minus -3, that's the y coordinate of the point, minus 2/3 times x minus 2. 2 is the x coordinate of the point. And I'll simplify just a little bit by simplifying these two negatives. That becomes y plus 3 equals 2/3 times x minus 2. And I'll stop here since this question is asking for the point-slope form, and this represents the point-slope form of the line with the slope of 2/3 passing through the point to -3. In this question, we want to use the intercepts to graph the equation. I'll start by finding the x-intercept. The way you find an x-intercept is by letting y equal 0. This would give 2x minus 0 equals 4, when I substitute a 0 in for y. 2x minus 0 is 2x, and I can divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 2. I have an x-intercept at the ordered pair 2, 0. Then I want to find the y-intercept. You can find a y-intercept by letting x equal 0. Substituting a 0 in for x would give me 2 times 0 minus y equals 4. 2 times 0 is 0, and 0 minus y is negative y. I would divide both sides by negative 1 to give me y equals negative 4. The ordered pair 0, negative 4 is the y-intercept. Now, because this is a linear equation, I'm able to graph the equation by plotting these two intercepts and connecting the points. I can plot the y-intercept, plot the x-intercept, and I'll use my ruler to draw a straight line between these 2 points. So this gives me a graph of 2x minus y equals 4. On this question, we want to find the equation of a vertical line through the point negative 4, 7. Now, the equation of a vertical line is a special case. What we know about vertical lines is that a vertical line has a slope that is undefined, and we know that the equation of a vertical line has a special format as well. The equation of a vertical line is going to be x equals a. So in this example, we're given a point that this vertical line passes through, and we're going to use the x-coordinate of that vertical line to define that value of a in the equation. So the equation of this vertical line will be x equals negative 4. We can draw a picture of this vertical line to feel a little bit more comfortable about that. We have the ordered pair negative 4, 7. So negative 4 and 7 would be a point here. And if we were to draw a vertical line going through that point, you can see that all of the points on the vertical line, every single ordered pair on this vertical line has an x-coordinate of negative 4. And so that's how we define the equation. It's all ordered pairs with an x-coordinate of negative 4. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.